Okay, now Tamil Nadu is not going to polls on the 1st, but it is on the 6th. In fact, it's a single-phase poll in Tamil Nadu. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi was campaigning there. In fact, while he trained guns at the DMK Congress alliance over what he said was them disrespecting women. In fact, he specifically raked up the derogatory comment made by DMK leader A. Raja and said insulting women is part of the DMK Congress culture. He's also reminded voters of the attack on late CM J. Jayalalitha in 1989.
Their outdated 2G missile. This 2G missile has one clear target: the women of Tamil Nadu. A few days back, this missile was launched by UPA with a clear order: attack the Nari Shakti of Tamil Nadu. I want to tell Congress and DMK, please control your party leaders. Today, Congress and DMK have insulted the respected mother of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. God forbid, if they come to power, they will insult many other women of Tamil Nadu. Never forget 25th March 1989. 25th March 1989, in the Assembly of Tamil Nadu. How did DMK leaders treat Amma Jayalalitha ji? DMK and Congress will not guarantee women empowerment.
Okay, Mugilan joins us for more on this. Mugilan, this was a very specific, tailored attack on the DMK Congress. The Prime Minister picking up a number of instances which he said was an assault on women, was derogatory to women, was disrespecting women. So that was a primary focus of the Prime Minister's attack.
Today, definitely, Prime Minister Modi targeted the opposition, the Congress and DMK, and very importantly, he criticized DMK and its leaders for making derogatory and disrespectful comments against women. Because last week we have seen DMK leader A. Raja, while addressing a campaign, he made a very derogatory comment against Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, and then we have seen that issue was escalated. Even Chennai police booked him under 3 sections, and yesterday he apologized for the remarks what he has made on the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. And today we are seeing Prime Minister Modi launching a very scathing attack on DMK, and he also said that it is the culture of DMK and Congress to disrespect women, and Congress and DMK can never bring empowerment to the women. And he also, without naming Udayanidhi Stalin, he said that the new crown prince in DMK has also made a very disrespectful comment against women. And he also added, if DMK and Congress comes to the power, the safety, nobody can ensure the safety of women in the state of Tamil Nadu. So definitely, yes, Prime Minister Modi have launched a very scathing attack on DMK ahead of the elections. And more importantly, he also spoke about the strongman culture in DMK, because this is a kind of criticism what Prime Minister Modi was making during his last visit. Also, today also he made a similar allegation against DMK, stating that DMK encourages the strongman culture, and if they comes to power, and these strongmen will start collecting money from the business people, and they will not allow business to grow. So on the very first public meeting here in Tamil Nadu, Prime Minister Modi very clearly targets DMK and even asked DMK to control its leaders from making such derogatory remarks here in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Well, Mugilan, thanks so much for that. I'm sure in the coming days, there is going to be far more heated exchanges when it comes to Tamil Nadu. We'll keep a close track on that. But for now, it's a quick break we're going to slip into, but there's a lot on the other side, so stay tuned.